Ang pagkakaalam ko, there must be a valid reason for termination. Hindi po basta pwedeng magte-terminate ang isang company kung walang violation na nagawa ang isang staff in accordance with the UAE labor law. The lucky one? Tara, sagutin natin mga Mi, totoo po yan. As per the UAE labor law, bawal po mag-terminate ang isang company nang walang violation ang isang empleyado. Kaya may mga tinatawag po na complaint and grievance policies. From verbal, written, final written, at termination. Yun po ang mga warning levels na dapat pagdaanan ng isang empleyado. In each of those steps, magpaprogress lamang siya kapag the same violation ang nangyari. At dapat, tutulungan ka ng company kung paano ma-achieve at hindi na magawa yung same scenario na yon. Kapag napatunayan, may proof at tumaan sa investigation. Now, I have been an HR for the past 10 years here in the UAE. Kaso, kadalasan na rason for termination para makaligtas sila sa UAE labor law is redundancy, restructuring or reorganization, or ang malala, total closure. Each company has its own policies at nakasulat din yan kung ano at ilan ang notice period ng isang empleyado. Regardless of any reason, a company should provide a proper notice period or the company should pay the proper notice period kung ayaw ka na niyang papasukin. On the other hand, termination under probationary is a separate case. Kung gusto niyong malaman yan, comment down below, termination under probationary.